Ordering a taxi at the hotel.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need a taxi.
No problem. For right now?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Where are you going?
To Grand Central Station.
Okay. Do you have a train to catch?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
It's 8:45 now. You have time, but there's a lot of traffic today.
Oh no, will I still make it?
Yes, if the taxi comes soon. I'll call right away.
Thank you so much.
You're in room 203, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
Okay, I'll order a large taxi.
Super, thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm going to Chicago to visit my family.
How nice. The taxi will be here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I wait in the lobby?
Of course. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, to the left of the elevator.
Great. I need one now.
Coffee and travel always go together.
True. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, I'll tell the driver.
Great. Thanks for everything.
No problem. My pleasure. The taxi is already here.
Really? That was fast.
It's waiting outside in front of the hotel.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good trip and a nice day.
Thanks. You have a nice day too.
Buying a gift.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. I'm looking for a gift.
Sure. Who is it for?
For my sister.
Ah, nice. Is it her birthday?
Yes, exactly. She's turning 25.
What does she like?
She likes simple and beautiful things.
Then maybe a scented candle. They are very popular.
Oh, yes. That sounds good.
Look here. We have lavender, vanilla, or orange.
The vanilla smells very good.
Would you like to smell it?
Yes, please. Oh, I like that.
Great. It costs $12.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like anything else? Maybe a small bracelet? This one is silver and very simple.
That looks nice. How much is it?
$20.
Okay, I'll take that too.
Very good choice. Should I gift wrap it for you?
Yes, please.
Are you paying with card or cash?
With a card, please.
Okay, just tap or insert it here. All right, you're all set. Here is your receipt and the gift.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Happy birthday to your sister.
Thanks. I hope she likes it.
I'm sure she will. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Which bus goes to the park?
Hello. Excuse me.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. Which bus goes to the park?
Do you mean Central Park?
Yes, exactly.
Then you're in the right place. You need bus number 12. It goes directly to the park.
Does it come often?
About every 15 minutes.
Do you know when the next one is?
In about 5 minutes.
Perfect. I don't like to wait long.
Me neither.
Are you on vacation here?
No, I live here. Welcome to our city. The park is really beautiful.
Thanks. Is there a lake there?
Yes, a small lake with ducks.
Oh, I really like ducks. Does bus 12 stop right at the entrance?
Yes, right at the main entrance.